What is the value of a in this equation? A raised to power 3 plus a square is equal to 810. Solution. Here we have a raised to power 3 plus a square is equal to 810. And this is a raised to power 3 plus a square minus 810 is equal to 0. But 810 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And this is 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5. And this is equal to 3 raised to power 4, that is 81 multiplied by 2 times 5, that is 10. Then this is equal to 81 is 9 square multiplied by 10, then equal to 9 square multiplied by 10 is 9 plus 1. Then if you open the bracket, this is equal to 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by 9 square. Therefore, here then we have a raised to power 3 plus a square minus 810 is 9 raised to power 3 plus 9 square is equal to 0. A raised to power 3 plus a square, let's open the bracket with minus. Minus multiplied by this 9 raised to power 3, we have minus 9 raised to power 3 minus multiplied by plus 9 square. This is minus 9 square is equal to 0. Now let us pair this. A raised to power 3 to 9 raised to power 3 and a square to 9 square. Then this can be written as a raised to power 3 minus 9 raised to power 3 plus a square minus 9 square is equal to 0. Now this is, if you have s raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is s minus y bracket s square plus xy plus y square. Then if you have s square minus y square, this is s plus y bracket x minus y. And from here, s is equal to a, y is equal to 9. Then this can be written as a minus 9 bracket a square plus 9 multiplied by a plus 9 square plus a plus 9 bracket a minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, a minus 9 is common here and is common here. Let us bring it out. Then a minus 9 bracket, if you divide this by this, we have a square plus 9 multiplied by a, 9a plus 9 square, 81, plus if you divide this by this, we have a plus 9 is equal to 0. A minus 9 bracket a square plus 9a plus a, that is 10a plus 81 plus 9, that is 90, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 9. Let us call this a1. And here, a square plus 10a plus 90 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula here is giving us a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 90. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90, then everything over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90, that is 360, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 360, that is minus 260, divided by 2. And this is the same thing as minus 10 plus or minus square root of 260 multiplied by minus 1. Everything divided by 2. But 260 is equal to, this is 260, is divisible by 2. Then we have 130, and this is divisible by 2, that is 65, and this is 65, 1. So here we have 2 square multiplied by 65. Therefore, here we have a is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 2 square multiplied by 65 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Then a is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 2 squared, that is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I. Then root 65 over 2. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus 2i. This is divided by 2. And this is divided by 2. Then square root of 65, or 2 bracket minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 65 over 2. This cancel this, or 2 here 1, 2 here 5, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. A is equal to minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 65. Therefore, A2 is equal to minus 5 plus I square root of 65. Then A3 is equal to minus 5 minus I square root of 65. Therefore, our final answer are A1 is equal to 9, A2 is equal to minus 5 plus I square root of 65, and A3 is equal to minus 5 minus I square root of 65. Here you can see that we have one real root and then two complex roots. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong, but for us to check, we need to make use of this real root, which is 9. To check, we have the given equation: a raised to power 3 plus a square is equal to 810. This is 9 raised to power 3 plus 9 square must be equal to 810. 9 raised to power 3, this is 7. 29 plus 9 square, that is 81, must be equal to 810. Therefore, if you add 729 plus 81, this is 810, is equal to 810, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.